Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we've got a 67 Ford Mustang Cobra GT Tribute. Absolute beast of a car. Beautiful red paint job, paint is amazing. Got the white racing stripes down the center. Got some bigger wheels on the back. Just absolutely gorgeous. Definitely more of a performance style car. That is how it is all done up on the inside, as you'll see here with that black interior. Very nice on the inside here. Just a wicked ride. As you'll hear here in a minute, when we go for a ride, this thing goes. Got the tank back here. Speakers. Battery. I love the body on this car. Let's go ahead, hop up here, check out the driver's seat, cluster, the shifter with all the switches. Beast of a car. All right, go ahead, pop open the hood, take it for a spin, put it on the hoist.
Put the motor in it and different things of that nature. The cool thing about this car is that they rebuilt the pieces. They didn't replace the pieces in the suspension. So this car drives like a factory car, but yet, as you can see, it's got the go-go. Wow. Got the turbo action, automatic transmission, so you can play like a BMM. You can put it down and then bang the gears. Obviously the car's not ours, so I'm not going to just go crazy on it.
Yeah.
But just a fun car,
so
good,
nice
and straight down the road. He's got some bigger tires on it, which we are going to replace those rear ones. I don't know if you noticed.
Yep.
But this is a hand put together. Everything on the car, Mark, was never replaced. It was all redone, like the windshield wiper blades. The chrome on them was redone on them. Suspension, shock absorber, all that stuff. Woo! Isn't that unbelievable?
That is a great sound right there.
Yep, that's some great Ford muscle. Call on this car, man. You get this car, you got a car you'll never sell. Call Mark or Alan at Skyway Classics. Let's pull her inside, Mark, to show the underneath this car, because it's nicer than the top. I mean, it's that nice.
Excited to